how to add WEPE token to Trust Wallet. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMEXC. To be able to add this token to Trust Wallet, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Open your Trust Wallet for that. So after that, what you need to do, I will just log into my wallet first. So to be able to add this token to your wallet, go down and click on Manage Crypto, click on this plus icon and select the Ethereum as a network from here, as you can see. So after you find it, click on it. So keep search for it. I will just search for the Ethereum. I guess I missed it from the top. So it will be here. So the Ethereum, as you can see, so this is it. Now here, paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token, as you can see. Click on this add token. So to be able to make sure that you add it successfully, go and search for it here, as you can see. So this is our token added successfully to our wallet. So this is how to add WEPE token to Trust Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.